I do had a question about like the gel nail polish or something. Like, okay, because like when the nail grows long, and what makes the nail weak underneath the nail sometimes, like when you take it off and you just like, oh, I'm just gonna give them a braid. What makes it weak?
Yes. So oftentimes, which is what I like to educate my clients on, it is definitely about how the tools are used. So if you are your nail plate is being overly filed, if you're feeling burning sensations like continuously, it's hurt to touch, those type of things, that's not what it's supposed to be like. Okay,
Okay.
it's over filing, improperly filing, that heat sensation, overly done, that is what's thinning out your nails. So over time, it just keeps getting thinner and thinner and thinner.
Okay.
So that's one of and the technique that I use is different from a lot of traditional nail salons, and that meaning that I don't do a lot of soaking in acetone. Acetone is it can be very drying and very stripping if you continue to do that. I don't know, some people get their nails done every 2 weeks or once a month or whatever, but it's just the frequency of soaking your nails in acetone and then it being followed up with a metal implement and they're like scraping off the product and then going right after they scrape off your nail, then they going in and filing your nail and then they applying product on there and then filing over it. Like it can be a lot. So what I try to do is protect my clients' nails through the technique that I use. And I have, even though I haven't been to work in like almost 4 weeks, I have clients telling me like, look, now I do have some cases. I'm gonna keep it 100. I do have some cases, and I got some clients. I'm like, okay, 911. But there are people who are texting me like, hey, my nail is still intact. It definitely needs to be taken care of, but I'm thankful that you've been taking care of my nails and they're not weakened. So that's
Yeah,
good
well,
to
that's
hear.
good.